Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to reset the camera on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you need to find the camera icon. Here I have this camera icon in that corner. And now let's swipe from the right edge to the left. Here you've got the camera settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you need to choose Restore Defaults. So if you are aware of this operation and you would like to still restore all factory settings on your camera, let's tap OK. And that's it. Now you can enjoy using your default camera settings. For example, now you have to decide that you would like to use location in your camera. Let me tap deny, and that's it. Now you may use your camera app. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.